Hello guys, how you doing? Right now we are in a situation where we gotta fix this toilet. We have a leaking fill valve. As you see here, we are ready to repair it. That's the back of the fill valve, and we have our tools. And while we doing this, when we doing this, might as well change the flapper that goes in the middle of the toilet. Okay, as you hear, this is the sound of. First, we take the cover out. This is how fuel valve that is damaged look like. It's a waste of water, and it needs to be fixed. We gotta place the cover in a safe place. Okay, you don't want to break the cover of the tank. So this is how it looks. It's leaking water. So the first thing that we do is we close the water. Okay, we are closing the water here. The angle stop. Close the water. Make sure it's fully closed. First step. What we do is we flush the toilet, so all the water goes out because we're gonna be removing the fill valve. And if we remove it without taking the water out, it's gonna leak to the floor, and we don't need that. Now we already did this. Now we proceed to remove the tank supply from the top of here. You see, because it is leaking all the time, the water is running, so all this stays wet all the time. See, by stopping this, by stopping the leak, we're gonna stop the water from running. The water sweats and it leaks to the floor. So right now we're removing the tank supply. We have a little pail here to hold the excess of water. Now we're removing the tank supply. The excess of water is coming out. Now while we're doing this, there's a nut that holds the fill valve. Let's show it to you. We need to remove it. You see the nut that is on top there? Is holding the fill valve, so we need to remove it. In order to remove the fill valve. Okay, so here we go. So here we go. Okay, it's already coming out. So while we're doing this, there's some remaining water in the tank. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have the new fill valve ready to put it in place. Right? We already have the fill valve. It has a rubber that holds the water. See, it makes a seal inside the tank, so there's any more leaks. So let's make sure that there's no more water in there. So we have a little bit of water remaining. Now we gotta get ready. We need to remove the supply hose that comes to the middle of the overflow, which is in the middle of the Douglas valve. See? There's water going down. Let's hold this and remove this hose. It should have cut it, but it's safer to just pull it out. Okay, we should have done that at the beginning, but okay, it's done, it's out. So what we have now is See, the water still coming down. It's a little bit of water. Okay, we're gonna clean it afterwards. So right now, we're gonna put it out and put the new one, the new fill bulb in place. Where do we put it? Okay, the fill bulb is right here. Now we need to remove it and put the new one on. All right. Okay, we need to pull. I got a little bit of problem here. I need to fully remove the nut. All right, we just gonna place right here. You take out the nut all the way out. Okay, now it's fully out. Now I'm gonna be placing. You're gonna see it. Gonna see it later. Gonna the other one in place. See, here's the old fill bulb. Is already out. Now we have the new one in. And let me just put out the nuts in place. It's gonna be here. He's okay, as you see. I got an excess of water, but let's put the nut on. Make sure that there's no more water coming down. You're already in place. Okay. On. Good thing that we have the rubber gasket on the bottom, so it's holding in place. So as you see, the nut is in place already on top of here, and the inside we have the new fill bulb. All right, it's already done. All we have to do is put the hose in place, and we're gonna proceed to do that.